Here's some Iron Age trivia. Subscribe. What metal replaced bronze during the period? Is it A, copper, B, iron, C, zinc, or D, tin? The correct answer is B, iron. Which European site features a famous hill fort? Is it A, Danebury, B, Maiden Castle, C, Stonehenge, or D, a site in England but not a famous hill fort? The correct answer is A, Danebury. What culture is known for the Tène style? Is it A, Roman, B, Celtic, C, Greek, or D, Norse? The correct answer is B, Celtic. What tool was frequently used for plowing? Is it A, wooden rake, B, plastic hoe, C, iron plowshare, or D, steel shovel? The correct answer is C, iron plowshare. What famous Spanish site dates to the Iron Age? Is it A, Stonehenge, B, the Colosseum, C, Los Millares, or D, Machu Picchu? The correct answer is C, Los Millares. What chronological period follows the Bronze Age? Is it A, Middle Ages, B, Neolithic era, C, Iron Age, or D, Stone Age? The correct answer is C, Iron Age. In which region did the Hallstatt culture flourish? Is it A, Northern Europe, B, Eastern Europe, C, Southern Europe, or D, Central Europe? The correct answer is D, Central Europe. What burial form is associated with the Hallstatt culture? Is it A, mound burial, B, cist graves, C, urnfield graves, or D, pyramids? The correct answer is B, cist graves. What prominent group inhabited Britain during this age? Is it A, Celts, B, Vikings, C, Romans, or D, Normans? The correct answer is A, Celts. What is a method of making iron from ore? Is it A, welding, B, smelting, C, casting, or D, forging? The correct answer is B, smelting. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.